YouTube! I wanted to watch more Daily Dose, but this time it's the best doorbell videos ever. Wow. I can't promise I'll be consistent again, but I'm here today. And that's all that matters. Yippee!
These are the best doorbell videos of all time.
Hello! Immediate flashbang, I see. This is what happens every time I go outside. There is like a 98% chance that somebody charges at me with a vehicle. Or a bike, whatever that was. Hello? Oh, wait. Where was he even? Oh. Oh dear. Yes, oh dear. I stopped saying oh dear for a while. I got one, like, private DM being like, I really, really love the way you say oh dear. It makes my ears tingle. And then I just never wanted to say it again. Also, the little ones are up, refusing bedtime. It's why you hear that in the background if you hear any of it.
They tried to ding-dong ditch their neighbor.
You're just gonna leave her? Oh.
They left a note on the tip asking for the pizza delivery guy to do a dance.
I mean, it's a dance. Oh my goodness, when I fucking remember that one. It took me so many times the first time I saw this to even understand that it was just chilling up here.
His upstairs neighbors were partying last night, and he decided to complain about it.
Hey, you guys were doing something last night, right?
Yeah.
I was just gonna say, you guys got last night, and normally I wouldn't make it a problem, but next time invite my fucking neighbor, dude. I want to party too.
These people left special instructions for their delivery driver to shout when dinner arrives.
Dinner!
What a power stance, too. Squirrels are menaces? They are. I swear they remember your face. They remember you. They want to fuck you up, they will fuck you up. We do not mess with squirrels.
Dinner!
Dinner!
She didn't read the label explaining that the package was fragile.
Oh my god. Did she just go back to, like, finishing the deliver? Hello? You know how many times this has happened where I've received something broken? Oh my god. It made me so mad every single time. So mad. So mad.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
He was trying to load his
Dance is
snowmobile
better
onto
than
his
me.
truck. This delivery driver was caught slamming down food that someone ordered.
Hi, you are currently being watched. Ain't nothing new. Hello, hi, how are you doing? You would do the same? It's kind of funny. Just...
This delivery driver...
I want to see him do the flip. Do a flip. All I had in my head was the dun-dun-dun sound effect. I don't know if you guys had that in your head too, but now you can imagine it when we watch it one more time. Imagine the dun-dun-dun. Yippee!
This delivery driver was caught slamming down food that someone ordered.
So violent. You good now? I don't know if you guys know this about me. This will totally not affect me later in any way, shape, or form. I don't like lightning. I don't like it. It's loud, it's unpredictable, it's out of nowhere, it makes me upset. I don't like lightning. I'm sorry, I don't like lightning. Surprisingly, the girl that likes watching videos at like 30% volume and is soft-spoken doesn't like loud things. Crazy, I know. Good job. Hello, cop. The little sound. Oh, Mewit. Oh god, I just did a cat noise. Whatever. It's fine. It's fine. I'm coping. I'm coping. You should not say clip it. You're a moderator. Aren't you supposed to be on my side here? Look at how disappointed SpongeBob is in you right now. How could you do this? Also, I love how small the shoes look on the Patrick one. It's so scoofy. I kind of fucking love it. He looks happy? No, no, I don't know. Your Honor, look at her ears. That's because I was gone. I was gone for a long time, and I'm trying to get back on YouTube's good side. Maybe the YouTube algorithm will forgive me. Maybe. It probably will if I start daily uploading again, but Lord knows I don't have the strength to do it. Try bunny ears? I can't reach it! Oh.
This new neighbor walked over to introduce himself.
Look, this is no
And you threw flakes in it.
Mommy,
Put
this
the
is
stuff
no
down and then you throw this. Sorry. Sorry.
I'd go home and cry. I'd go home and fucking cry if I go to meet my neighbors. They turn around and start screaming at the top of their lungs. Well, I was just talking about how much I hate lightning, and now look, somebody named Zeus followed me. Hello. I'd move too. I would move. I'm gone. Me when I rejoin society.
Is this
So
the
true.
fastest ding-dong ditch of all time?
It's waiting for you outside. Never go out again.
This delivery guy was trying to drop off this balloon and birthday card.
Well, you got the card. That's okay. I feel bad. Another reason I will never go outside. This is gonna be rolling its way towards me as soon as I open the damn door. Just pew!
Something weird was sitting on their doorbell camera.
Hello? This is why I'm so scared to walk dogs. Because I have like 0 arm strength, I'm gonna be honest. I have no arm strength. They could just run and I wouldn't be able to do anything but let go. Dragged to hell. Chance to get hit by a tire is low but never zero. God, haven't I actually been in a car accident where a tire hit the windshield? I think I have been. Yeah, no, tires are fucking terrifying. It is genuinely terrifying. I'm ready to be dragged to hell. Hi! Wait, I wanna see that. I wanna see it. Oh, never mind. He kinda hit it, though.
Sorry, we're not interested.
What? Delivery.
What's up, guys? About to give you the hardest decision of your young lives.
Okay.
Are you gonna take the candy or are you gonna take the potato? You could have... All right. Okay. Wow.
You know what? There's a lot you can do with a potato. Just tonight I had fries with potatoes that were grown in our garden. Not to flex or anything. We've gotten so many cherry tomatoes. I have to eat so many cherry tomatoes. If I ask for a snack, there's like, I'm probably gonna get cherry tomatoes. But it is my own fault. Potato blood runs in their veins. You grow more potatoes than one. I got one potato. They're investing. They are investing. Not a flex, but totally a flex. I've learned so much about how to garden from my dad. It's honestly been really wholesome. Very, very wholesome. The milk!
She decided to ding-dong ditch her neighbors while on a hoverboard. She didn't realize that there was a spider.
She did that better than me. I would have fallen. I would have fallen and hit my head on that plant. Look at him go.
She didn't realize that there was a spider web outside of her door.
Ma'am, your baby? Your baby.
She couldn't control the dogs that wanted to chase the skunk.
Oh. There she goes. Pine?
This
Yeah.
cat was letting his owner know that he wanted to come inside.
That's a smart orange cat. The fuck you mean you? We're looking at a cat right now. Whatever.
This delivery guy doesn't care that this truck is on fire.
Thank you. Matt! Matt, your truck's on fire!
He was trying to ding-dong ditch his house, but was immediately caught in the act.
But you're a cat? Okay. You guys will get sick of the cat ears one day, and you'll never see him again, because by then I'll have my new model, and I'll be using the bunny ears more often.
He was trying to ding-dong ditch his house, but was immediately caught in the act.
Ma'am, did you just move here?
Yeah.
There's a lot of kids playing around here.
Okay. Have a nice day. Come back in the house.
Oh! Hello.
This dad spoke to his daughter through the doorbell camera.
Welcome home, Ellabella.
Yes, it's God.
Oh! Yeah, what the hell? My God! I gotta sit down.
She was trying to go for a walk when her dog spotted something.
I gotta sit down is a very real response to that.
I gotta sit down.
She was trying to go for a walk when her dog spotted something. I had no idea it was possible to fall like this. These kids are trying to
That probably hurt real bad, but that is such a funny way to fall.
These kids are trying to sneak out of the house without setting off the camera.
No! That camera's gonna go off now, you idiot! You're standing right in front of it!
No! Holy! Oh my god! No! No!
It's actually
This
chasing
poor
her.
dog was scared of a frog.
Boink. I love frogs. They're so cute. What a delayed reaction. It's so delayed, but he was so chill about it at first. Like, you're staring straight at him. Lizard. Oh my gosh, no, not the brain rot lizard in my head. But hello, hi. Lizard. Lizard. Lizard.
There's an iguana in the front yard!
I think his little brother might be a ninja.
That laugh. Hello?
So this is pretty scary. This is why it's so important to watch for your kids.
Mommy! They're following me! Mommy!
Why are you so scared? Oh,
Does Mantis
they
ring the
changed
doorbell and
targets. They changed targets.
Does Mantis ring the doorbell and the homeowner was super confused when he didn't see anyone at the door?
Hello.
They found this crazy bug hanging out on their front door.
Look at it.
Get out of there.
Oh. Please remove
Get
yourself
out
from
of
the
there.
trash.
People inside this house were watching a scary movie and totally forgot that they ordered some food delivery. This
Rah.
is a pretty crazy chain of events.
That is a crazy chain of events. At least they stopped the car. Bad day? You know what's bad? My first thought was, you know what? If I'm like married to somebody and they're tall, I'd probably do this one day just to fuck with them. Put a plant just a little lower than it should be. Just to fuck with them. But then the round, the turnaround kinda made me question it.
A bunch
That's
of
weird
ants got
flirting. I
together
don't care.
and tried to steal this package.
What in the fuck? If this is how I find out my package gets fucking stolen? Hello?
This nosy neighbor needs to mind his own business.
Oh, you cheating on your husband?
This is my son.
Oh! Very. Oh!
The good news is that he wasn't hurt. This goat decided to deliver their package.
Oh! Well, thank you. You're the goat.
This postman went to the wrong address, and he told him to go to the house across the street.
Yeah,
How hungry? Very hungry.
number 77, please, mate. To the right.
This one.
Yeah, mate, please.
Her dog was refusing to come inside, so
Whoops.
she realized that if she pretends that she's dead, her dog will come over. You can see the moment this dog feels dumb after accidentally ringing the doorbell.
Mm.
There's rotten. Oh, are you okay? I didn't see that.
Wow. What a sweetheart. I wouldn't have seen it either.
There's rotten.
The handle broke off. The handle literally broke off. It's probably behind my head. Here, let me move over here so you guys can see it.
There's rotten.
The handle fell off.
I didn't see that.
I really had to hurt you. Okay. I'm sorry, I don't know why that was so funny to me. I don't know why this is so funny to me. Orange cat activities. There's another!
No one is here. No one. See? Look. No one. Stop barking.
Wow!
This delivery driver couldn't resist the temptation.
Oh, rotated. Get rotated.
Sometimes it's a good idea to put the
Yikes.
phone down.
Oh! At least she's okay? How do you let it
This
happen
lizard
twice?
decided to ring this doorbell.
Okay. Alright. I can't really make an excuse for her anymore.
Mason, what'd you just do?
Here's a great way to ruin a Christmas present surprise.
I'd be devastated!
Close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes,
No.
close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes. Oh, what the f? Close your eyes, get inside, that is not for you. You did not see that. You did
It's
not
not
see
for
that.
you!
Poor little guy got scared of the talking robot.
Camera recording.
He was so proud of himself for chasing away these geese.
Well, aren't they gonna come back? Let's see. Oh, doesn't like cats, I guess.
Oh my god.
Can you return it? Can
This
you
delivery guy
give that
loved their
back
car
to
so
me?
much that he asked for a picture with it.
Take the helmet off, yeah. Ready?
Hey, snazzy.
you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
Is that alright?
I have never seen someone struggle so much with ice.
Ice is slippery, okay? Oh,
This delivery driver saw this person's cat, and I'm not sure why, but they started
it
licking it.
is. Oh. Wait, what the fuck? My guy, what are you doing?
For some
What the
reason,
fuck
a
are you
frog was
licking
hanging.
the cats? What the fuck? How many drugs are you on? You don't lick
Hanging out on
cat.
their front door.
I wouldn't lick a fucking cat, though. I don't lick the cat.
Slug?
No. Frog. What?
They got pizza
Praise
delivery,
for-
and under the special instructions section, asked the delivery guy to knock 3 times, twerk, and run away.
Knock 3 times, twerk, and run. Damn!
These twins were caught making the same exact pose on camera.
You think they have a collection of them? Just a collection of delivery drivers throwing it back?
3, 2, 1.
Oh,
This trick-or-treater thought he could get away with stealing all the candy.
that's so fucking mean, dude. Come on. You kind of deserve that.
Are you okay?
A bear tried to eat this man.
Oh no, you heard her head hit the ground so fucking hard.
You okay?
Poor girl. And poor guy, too. They both hit their
A
head.
bear tried to eat this man's dogs, but was able to scare the bear away.
Fight the bear.
He was walking over, about to get into his car when this happened.
I just imagine somebody making him go to the hospital. It's like, I don't even know why I'm here. I'm fine. All I did was fight a bear. Just imagine the nurses' faces or whatever. No, I'm very much one of those people. I'm very much one of those people. I don't want to go to the hospital. I don't want to go to the hospital. I don't like it. I've been to hospitals plenty of times, and I don't want to go to one anytime soon. Americans are something special, huh? Hey, it's not just Americans.
So this has got to be the worst delivery driver of all time, right?
As someone who works in a hospital, you don't like the hospital. Fair enough.
This guy met his girlfriend's dog for the very first time.
You come.
Don't worry, he wasn't hurt. This little guy is lucky to be.
Your dog hates your boyfriend. Your dog hates him. Hello? He don't bite. The he don't bite thing. And look where he's trying to attack him. Your dog bites. I'm sorry.
Don't worry, he wasn't hurt. This little guy is lucky to be alive.
Here you go. Thank you. You're welcome. I love you. Goodbye.
Bye.
Oh, that's kind of sweet. I guess we got a trampoline now.
Package thieves are starting to get really bold now.
Oh.
Their
I hope
porch
this
was
is a
so shiny and
prank.
clean that
I
they thought
hope
it
it's
was
a
wet paint.
prank. I hope it's not actually just someone stealing. Oh.
This guy had no idea that he ran right past the mountain line.
What you don't know can't hurt you. I guess? Was that just like home insurance? What do you do for this?
These kids kept ding-dong dishing their house,
can't
but they
sue
were ready
'em.
this time. This delivery guy forgot to properly park his car.
At least they left.
This guy just got done with shoveling his driveway. He wanted to give the pizza guy a hug after delivering the pizza.
I give up.
Enjoy. Have a good night. Bye bye.
Oh, Daddy, trying to get him off.
Say hello, bud. Enjoy your pizza.
No.
This Uber Eats delivery guy tried to steal the food that he was delivering, but the unexpected happened. Just as the delivery guy was driving away, the customer was pulling up to the house and caught the delivery guy in the act and stopped him. This giant tornado was spotted
I
on his
mean, what did you even steal? Did he steal McDonald's?
Say hello, bud. Enjoy your pizza.
This Uber Eats
You stole McDonald's. Really? I mean, I probably would have rammed the car into him. Yeah, I'd be pissed off.
This giant tornado was spotted on his doorbell camera.
Oh wow. Look at all that lightning. That's a big
A
oh
very
my
concerned
goodness.
neighbor called the police because they thought there was a dead body in this woman's car.
So we got a call. Somebody's concerned. Are you like a hairstylist?
No.
So there's like hair hanging out of your tongue.
Oh my Jesus.
Oh,
Someone's
Oh,
like,
that's my weave. Oh, hold on. That's my
oh
weave.
no! I've done. Okay, I haven't done the same, but I left like a pink cosplay wig in the trunk, and it, like a part of the the part of the hairs were out. It's like, wait a minute, I don't want to do that. That's so unfortunate. It's so unfortunate.
This woman caught these door-to-door salesmen both roasting and complimenting her at the same time.
Would you like to buy some chocolate for a school fundraiser?
How much is it?
$2 each.
$2? Let me go see if I have cash.
Okay. Oh, lips look like that.
What?
She smells good, but why her lips look like that?
Their dog tried to scare away this delivery guy.
Why being so negative? Hello? She smelled good, but why do her lips look like that? Is crazy.
These trick-or-treaters realized that this candy bowl was empty and decided to help out.
There's no candy. Yeah. Come on, guys. Don't rude. Don't worry. Some candy for other people. Don't worry. Come on, guys.
Aww.
This guy walked barefoot through a flood to make a delivery.
That dude's a hero. What a hero.
He
Good
suddenly
people.
recognized this food delivery driver
Needs a
as an old
raise,
friend that he
yeah.
hasn't seen in over 12 years.
How you doing? Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, thank you,
appreciate it, bro. Have a good one.
Yeah, man. You too. Yo, hold up. Are you Rashad?
oh, Jerry? Oh,
Holy.
Whoa, what's that?
Yo, what's up, bro?
let's go, bro.
This guy discovered a faster way to do his job.
Whatever works. I mean, you can do what you want for your job.
A raccoon chased this woman and her dog inside the house.
Your dog's throwing hands, though.
This
Oh,
delivery
never
guy
mind.
never saw the dog there.
Enjoy.
You know, fair enough to be spooked if you didn't see him.
Don't you hate it when you forget something after you already left the house?
Oh my god, my leg! Carter, Max, get my leg!
This poor delivery guy had a heavy package.
Get my leg! Go grab my leg! Now that's comedy. It is very, very funny. I think, oh gosh, I don't remember where, but it was somebody saying, oh, have a good night. It was somebody saying that they had to, like, explain to somebody being mad at them for using a disabled spot, and they just ended up taking off their prosthetic leg or whatever to show the lady. And it's just like, damn, you know, I wish I could do that, but not really. No, not really. I don't want to lose a leg. Oh no. I don't mean it like that. I just mean the way I'm disabled isn't, like, physically seen, so people, like, sometimes I get shit by people. And it's like, not all of them are, you know, in your face. Not every disability is in your face. Would that be like the equivalent of a middle finger? I don't know. Yeah, you know, fair enough. I think I'd forget to, like, grab a prosthetic leg or something if I've been not having it for, like, a decade or something.
Carter, Max, get my leg!
This poor delivery guy had a heavy package.
You did your best.
This professor won a Nobel Prize, and his neighbors came over at 2 a.m. to tell him about it.
Paul? It's Bob Wilson. Yeah? You won the Nobel... You've won the Nobel Prize. And so they're trying to reach you, but they cannot. They don't seem to have a number for you.
We gave them your cell phone number.
Yeah, I have? Wow.
This pizza driver really wanted to smell their
Okay.
flowers.
Fair enough.
Their doorbell camera captured this amazing meteor flying
I
over
know.
Portugal.
That is very beautiful, but you know what I just thought of? I just thought of, in Freyrin when she broke the barrier for the, was it the magic test thing? I just immediately thought of her breaking the barrier. It looked something like that.
Someone got some food delivered, and in the special instructions, specifically asked the delivery person to kick the food as hard as they could.
Oh. Okay. You nailed it!
This house was struck by lightning. He was caught trying to steal this package.
Camera recording.
Just leave.
I was just joking.
I was just joking!
This guy dropped off some packages and then left.
No way!
This guy dropped off some packages and then left, but then came back a few seconds later, pretended
It's
to be
just a
someone
prank,
else, and
bro.
stole them.
Man. Why are so many of the thieves kids? Because they aren't, I don't know, they're not seeing punishment for their actions or something. I know there's, like, a lot of, like, good kids out there that wouldn't even, like, dream of doing stuff like that. But there's a lot of kids that are also just not being taken care of or watched or taught manners or anything. So, you know.
This delivery guy was nice enough to prune these flowers.
How nice.
You're gonna deadhead the flowers, lady.
They were getting ready to go to the party. I guess that this bear thought this deer decoration was real and decided to eat it.
It's a girl. Congrats. It's a girl.
I guess that this bear thought this deer decoration was real and decided to eat it.
Hungry. How hungry? Just do it.
I guess
do
you never
it.
know when squirrels might attack. The police started changing the locks on the wrong house.
Hello?
Hello?
What are you doing?
We're here to finalize the eviction.
What eviction?
It was posted a week
It
ago.
was posted last week.
On my house?
Yes, ma'am. What is your name?
My name is Jennifer, and that is my house.
Hey, we do apologize. We have the wrong house.
I just wanted to see if you knew any kids around like 11 or 12 maybe, because I need some friends, like really bad.
The house to your right, there's 2 kids that live there.
Fair
They're
enough.
not my friends anymore because they're bullies to me.
Oh, I'm sorry
Oh.
So this video exploded on social media and the internet did their thing and raised almost $40,000 in 3 days. The internet also managed to find some friends to hang out with him.
What?
She had to go to a mosque to attend a funeral, but she didn't know how to wear a headscarf, so she
What? I mean, I'm glad you found friends.
to hang out with him. She had to go to a mosque to attend a funeral, but she didn't know how to wear a headscarf, so she asked her Muslim neighbor for help.
I'm going to a funeral. Okay. All right. I've got to get a scarf. I don't know could you just tell me how to put it on because I got to go to the mosque?
Yeah. I'm gonna grab a scarf and I'm gonna show you right now.
Okay. Like this?
Yeah.
Put it like this?
Okay, it looks beautiful.
Oh, okay.
Exactly like that.
Oh my God. Thank you so
You know,
much.
you can even keep that because I have a million at home.
His friends ding
That's
dong
so
ditched his house,
sweet.
and he decided to do a motivational speech instead.
You can see me. Get out of here, bub. And you matter, alright? There's always gonna be somebody that cares about you. And you're a good person. No matter what people say, you matter. Ignore them. They're losers. The ding-dong ditching you. I'm just trying to say something nice.
That is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon.
Well, goodbye, YouTube. Thank you so much for hanging out. That was a very nice way to end off the video. Thank you. That's really all I have to say. Oh, right, before I forget sometimes. You can get this cursor if you want it in my Discord. It's free. Alright,